Hi there, this is a Garmin Vivomove 3S, and the analog hands do not match the digital time, and this happens occasionally, so I'm going to show you how to manually change it. Once your time is lit in the background, you're going to hold down until it vibrates, and that's going to give you your menu selection. You're going to swipe until you get to the settings right there. Tap on that. Then you're going to swipe until you get to this clock. Tap on that. And then we're going to align the hands to 12 o'clock. So we're going to move the minute hand by tapping on this all the way until it gets to 12. There it is. And then we're going to hit OK. And then I'm going to move the hour hand up by tapping on this arrow. You can see it moving kind of slowly, but it is moving until it is on the 12. Exactly. Okay, then I'm going to hit the check mark. Align's complete, and now it's going to reset back to 8 o'clock. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button.